Welcome to my channel. This is Michael Tharp EDU. It starts with you. I have now become an executive gold in this amazing company called 7K. We're blowing up. We're bringing in a lot of big networkers, and I just wanted to record this video to show them and really anyone that gets into this business how to build correctly to maximize this amazing compensation plan and leverage this wealth system to take fiat paper dollars and turn them into real physical assets of gold and silver. So I won't go on for too long. Anyone on my team, feel free to share this video with new people that you bring on to make sure they build correctly and avoid the mistakes that I made. All right, enjoy, guys. This is the best comp plan I have ever seen in any business. And I want to say first, there's no way to lose with 7K. So if you're new to network marketing or you don't like selling, that's fine. You don't need to do any of this. You can't lose with 7K. The membership itself pays for it. In fact, most of our members don't promote it or make residual income. They literally buy the yearly membership and then just buy gold and silver at dealer direct costs and enjoy all the other benefits. So it's essentially, I tell people, it's like a Costco for people that like gold and silver. But if you do want to make residual income and help others save in assets, then this is the best thing I've ever seen. So let's see how this works. And I'm doing this because our team's bringing on so many big marketers. I want to make sure they build correctly and don't make some of the same mistakes I did. So it starts with you signing up with 7K and getting a yearly membership. The first thing you're going to want to do is put someone on your left and on your right. Now make sure these are strong people that know what they're doing or will at least be committed, because you're going to have to help them in order to win. The beauty of this comp plan is you only win and find success and make money when you help others rank up. So if you're a big networker or you're a person who knows lots of people, you don't want to come in and just start signing a bunch of people up using your link. What you want to do is focus on ranking up and don't chase points or money. So you're going to sign up one person on your left, one person on your right. There's your first and second. Now, some people do like to put 3 and 4 first, but I don't think it's good because it kills momentum. So the next thing we're going to want to do, that makes you an associate, okay? One person on your left, one person on your right. You're an associate. You can now earn $500 a week. The next thing you're going to want to do is get the 2 people you brought in, 2 people as well, so they rank up to associate. So it doesn't matter whether Adam or myself, New, Chris, or Dan, you're going to want to put them under them. And when I say that, I mean actually use their link. So blue is your link, red is someone else's link. So if you know Chris and he comes in, you want to have Chris use Adam's link to sign up so that Adam can rank up, so that you can rank up. So once Adam gets his 2 people, whether I know them or he knows them, he's going to be an associate. Same thing for Ben. When Frank and Guy sign up for him, he becomes an associate. Once these 2 guys are associates, you have one on your left, one on your right. You're going to add one more person on your left and your right, and you are now a copper. That means you can earn up to $1,000 a week. So let me put these up here because I forgot. So 500, 1,000. Now, we want everyone in our business at least to get to copper. That's on our team. And it's pretty simple, guys. It's 8 people. 8 people, and really, you just need these 3 people to help make that happen, to get these 8 people and open up to making $1,000 a week. And again, we're not really buying anything. We're just transferring wealth from declining fiat paper dollars to real appreciating assets that have intrinsic value and helping other people do the same. And while we do that, we're earning residual income. So I don't have to sell my gold and silver to have cash to spend because I'm leveraging this wealth system to earn it. And we have to work together as a team to make sure that this happens. So we want to see everybody win so that we can all be successful in the end. Now, if we're going to go up to the next level to go bronze, here's what we're going to do. Is we're going to, again, same thing. Mike and Adam are going to help Chris and Dan get there too. But again, they're going to use their links. So I'm not going to have people sign up with mine. So they're going to get 2 more people each. All right. Now, I'm going to add 1 more direct on both sides. So I'm going to add another person here. Let's say this is Jenny. And I'm going to add 1 more person here. Let's say that's Sarah. Okay. Now, we will have to also have Adam and Ben are going to have to rank up to copper. So they're going to add 1 more person on their side. Okay, let's say this is Bill. Let's say this is Mo. All right. So now you are become a bronze, which means you can make up to $2,000 a month. All right? And again, this is only 22 people, and you're able to make $2,000 a week. I'm sorry, not a month, a week. So this is the right structure, the way you want to build. And you're just going to do this, continue to repeat this until you're at silver. Now, if you hit silver in the first 90 days in the company, you get a free 100-ounce silver bar that is worth, around $3,000. And our team goal is to have 100 people get this, and I think we have a great start to do it. So guys, this is really simple, but I just wanted to make this video so people know how to build correctly to maximize this comp plan. Again, if you're a big network or you know people, don't just send out your link. We don't send out our link. We don't post it online because you don't just want random people signing up and just going anywhere in this structure. You want to place them specifically and help people rank up. So for example, I might have somebody that comes in and I know them, instead of putting them directly with me, I might put them under Guy so that he becomes an associate, so Ben becomes a copper, so I become a bronze. That's the way you have to do this. You have to work as a team. You have to learn to connect and network with people. And again, that's why we want positive, uplifting, supportive people on our team, and that's why we've almost put 1,000 people on our team in about a month, because we're looking for people who are runners, who want to change their life, who have a positive mindset. So if people aren't like that, then we don't want them on our team. They're not ready to go to the next level and make this type of residual income. So I hope this helps you guys get started and you can avoid some of the mistakes that I made, because this is the best company, the best system to make residual income I've ever seen as we exchange our declining dollars for real world assets. All right, hope you guys have a blessed day. We'll talk to you soon. And remember, it starts with you.
Hi, my name's Dana Nelson. I am a realtor in Kalispell, Montana. I got involved in 7K Metals, and I am absolutely in love with the program. I see so many good things happening for people around me and my family. It's given me and my husband, we've wanted to collect silver and gold. We didn't have the opportunity to do it. We have... Since in the 9 weeks that 7K Metals has been going, I have earned $1,000 a week. I've shared it. I took it right to my hometown. I shared it with my loved ones and my friends and family. I researched it. I've taken it to my accountant. I literally believe in this program 100%. We've collected some silver, my husband and I've collected it for my kids. And it's not just regular silver. I think that's what I feel like it's such a special advantage. I brought one today, and it's a silver American Eagle. And I have gotten a few bullion coins in the past from pawn shops and stuff. I have one that's from Binion's from 1951. That's really special to me. But in reality, that just is a silver coin. This is a silver American Eagle. And to get it fresh from the mint, this comes from a mint in a little tube that says U.S. Mint on it. I got 20 of them. They're totally untouched from human hands. I got one for each of my kids. And just the opportunity to do that, I've taken half of my income, half of my check from 7K Metals that I've earned just by sharing this program with people. And truly, giving them an advantage. You know, our area is a depressed area. We can live anywhere we want in this country and make a decent income and collect silver and gold. We don't have the minimum orders. We do not have these strict qualifications. It is an amazing, outstanding opportunity. I totally encourage you to check out 7K Metals and jump on board, because this is doing everybody a favor. You're doing your loved ones, your kids. My kids are collecting silver and gold now. My son, he is so excited about it. It is truly, when they get it, they get the piece. You know, you see people start. We never got to see it before. We never really got to feel it, touch it, and the experience and the values it's helping. You know, my kids, I have 2 of them that are involved in this, and the third one decided not to. But those 2 that are involved in it, you can just see them grow. I brought one of my friends' daughters has been hanging out with us, and you see little kids doing it. It is so exciting. And you see they are truly, genuinely excited, and they actually have the opportunity. As for the prices, I bought my roll of silver, and I bought the cement fresh, quality coin, and it was $400, $20 a coin to get this. And I don't know if I could even buy it at my local retailer store, but it's just truly exciting. And I absolutely love it. The values it's giving us to not only learn to save and give us the opportunity to have another venue of income and another venue to increase our financial portfolio that we were looking for. So I am a true believer of this program.
Hey guys, this is Yuri Melendez. How are you, man? Listen, I want to give a testimony about the Sound Money Wallet. That has made my life so much simpler. This is the opportunity. This is the technology. No one has it. Only 7K members are allowed to use it. You have to be a member to use it. I call it the currency converter, where you can actually take your money from your account, bring it over to the Sound Money Wallet, then select if you want gold and silver with no minimums or maximums. Check this out, guys. Not only you can convert it, as gold and silver goes up, your money goes up. What are the banks paying you? 0.001%? And while gold and silver goes up, now this is like your own personal private savings account where you accumulate wealth. You can never go bankrupt having gold and silver.
Hello, my name is Emily and I live in Kauai, and I've been a member of 7K since November of 2020. You know, one day somebody asked me a really simple question. Hey, do you know anybody that's interested in buying gold and silver? And I said, me. So I gave him my credit card and told him to sign me up. And I really wanted to stack assets for my daughter. I wanted to just buy gold and silver. I just never knew how. So when I started, I was not interested in the business, but I wanted to prepare for her future. I knew putting cash in the bank wasn't a good idea, but I loved that I could buy tangible assets that would grow over time. So what I saw was so powerful that I had to share. I wasn't expecting to get paid, but since I've started, I've gotten paid to save every single week. Recently, I was able to achieve the rank of gold, which allows you the income potential of earning up to about $7,000 per week. Someone invited you to take a look at this. I wouldn't wait. Get started today.
Hi, my name is Madiba Thompson. I've been in the network marketing space for over 15 years. Shakes, vitamins, travel, and those are products that expire, right? I've never in my life seen a vehicle where no one can lose. You think of one where no one can lose money. It's gold and silver. So listen, I highly recommend you get a membership, plug into the training. We've helped over 1,000 people on the team. We've got people that have never had success in this industry that are winning right now. And it is such a blessing. Creating generational wealth, leaving a legacy of family. What's better than that?